YouTube? This is my new 1/10 scale Lexus Sc300. It is Sakura D5MR. I love it. I painted it a pearl white with a lame flake. You could barely see the flake. I needed to go over it again with white, so that's why some of the still covered. Fucked up and put holes in it when I didn't need to. Let me show you what's under the hood real quick. So yep, that's the Sakura D5MR with a bunch of Yokomo electronics. Let's see. We have the Yokomo, what is that, the 0S drift spec motor with the Yokomo ESC. Let's see if I can get there with that one. Gyro, the V4 with the fly ski receiver, and the Yokomo V2 steering servo. And with this steering servo, I don't know, but I had to chop my frame because that thing is fucking long or something. But in order for that to fit, I don't know, I looked at it for hours and I couldn't figure out, but that shit wants to hit, and it almost hits this, but I have it to where it won't hit it. But I feel like I can't get full steering lock because of how much I have to set it. So if you see, my endpoints on my steering to left is 50 and my right is 80, just because of also this piece right here is blocking it. So if you see when I turn, it almost hits it, but it doesn't because I don't let it, but that's a problem. Other than that, I love it. It fucking drifts fucking amazing. Sorry for the cuss words. But yeah, that's my exhaust. Kind of took some of the frame, extended it.